possessed doorbell. Say something! It is a possessed doorbell. What will it say? Shy, are you? You know you're being recorded now? What? What was that? What? 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 Did you say something? I thought so. Shut up. Shut up!
Use the keys against my makeup case.
Goodbye. Maybe when you leave it'll stop because it doesn't like you.
Maybe. I hear the dinging on your apps.
Yeah. What the hell? The hell is going on with this doorbell? It's freaking the devil in the doorbell. See? Are you the devil? See? You are the devil, aren't you? Ding twice if you're the devil. Ah, you're not. You're just a pussy. You're a pussy doorbell. Come on, doorbell, do something!
I'm no stranger to this area, having gone to university without money.
Pussy bell.
If I'm not mistaken, I used to come to this bar.
You got nothing. You got nothing. You're a piece of shit on the wall. That's all you are, making a bunch of noise. Good, what was that? What do you got? What else you got? Ooh, scary. You're back again, huh? You're back again. Back again. I walk away, you start making noise, huh? I pause the video, walk away, you start making. What do you like, attention? What are you like, an attention whore, doorbell?
Are you seriously talking to a
I'm talking to the doorbell. The doorbell's paying attention to me. Say something! Come on, ding. Ding if you're some black, dark magic spirit. Possessed doorbell. Guess what? You're going in the garbage. You're getting thrown out in the garbage. And if you show up on my doorstep, there you go, drown me out. Okay, you're still going in the garbage. You know where you're going? Right in the friggin' garbage you're going. And if you show up on my doorstep, creepy, scary noises. You got no voice? You know how to speak English? Or you just make a lot of noise? No, I just want to keep talking to it and see what it does next. It's weird, I know. That's why I'm videotaping it. No, I'm weird? Yeah, I'm weird because this is weird. This thing is weird. I don't think anybody in the country's had a doorbell like this. If I put this on YouTube, nobody else is going to have a doorbell, and there's not going to be another video on there like this. Yeah, I know. There you go. See? He agrees. You keep making a lot of noise, though, doorbell. You going to do anything? You going to fall off the wall? What's going to happen over here? Next. Alright, we're shutting this down. You're going in the garbage. Oh, it's getting pissed off again. Oh, you're going to ring it now. Oh, let's see what happens now. Let's see if it really rings. Oh, you did it now. It's playing beautiful music. The devil's back. Now let's give it some smoke. Ooh, creepy vape doorbell.
Kind of warm.
Does it? Alright. Bye, doorbell. Oh, you're ringing it again?